Your shirt buttons aren't just practical. They carry centuries of history and surprising social norms. For thousands of years, buttons were purely ornamental, found on ancient garments purely for decoration. It wasn't until the 13th century in Europe that buttonholes truly emerged, making buttons functional fasteners. This innovation revolutionized clothing, allowing for much more fitted and tailored garments. But here's a common mystery. Why do men's shirts button on the right and women's on the left? This tradition harks back to the wealthy classes of the 17th to 19th centuries. Men of means often had servants to help them dress, and for a right-handed servant, buttons on the wearer's right were easier to manipulate. Most women dressed themselves, so placing buttons on the wearer's left side made it easier for a right-handed woman to button her own garment. Beyond practicality, buttons were once symbols of wealth and status, made from materials like gold, ivory, or precious stones. So next time you button up, remember the rich tapestry of history and social class in every tiny closure.